Before you get lost in the world of flowers and chocolate, buckle up as we unveil 7 mind-blowing facts that will reshape your understanding of February the 14th. Number 1. Valentine's Day has roots tangled in the ancient and bloody festival of Lupercalia, a pagan celebration dating back to the 6th century BC. Imagine Roman priests wielding blood-soaked animal hides, blessing women with fertility in a ritual as fertile as it was gruesome. Legend has it that women would draw names from an urn, binding them with a partner for a year, adding a twist of fate to the festivities. Number 2. Our second revelation takes us beyond the candlelit dinners straight to a prison cell. Charles, Duke of Orleans, etched the inaugural Valentine's letter during his 2-decade imprisonment post the Battle of Agincourt in the early 15th century. His heartfelt words, though penned in captivity, carried the essence of timeless romance. Imagine receiving a love letter from a dungeon. How would you have reacted? Share your creative responses below. Let me know. Number 3. Now, here's a twist in the tale. Saint Valentine, the patron saint of love, was no solitary hero. There are more than a dozen saints called Valentine, because in its day, Valentine was a very popular boy's name. But the Saint Valentine whose feast is the 14th of February is the 3rd century Saint Valentine, who was beaten with clubs, beheaded, and buried near the Flaminian Way in Rome. He is sometimes called Saint Valentine of Rome, but the Diocese of Tournai claimed him as Bishop of Narnia and say he was only visiting Rome when he was arrested and martyred. Tradition has it that Saint Valentine's mission involved marrying Christian couples according to the rites of the church. Making possible these marriages is part of the reason he is patron of lovers and happy marriages. Of course, Saint Valentine's own great love was Christ, and it was evangelizing that got him arrested. Legend says he was released the first time he was arrested because he cured the judge's daughter of blindness. The judge and all his household, 44 people in all, were baptized. Saint Valentine continued to preach, and the second time he was arrested, he was martyred. Number 4. It wasn't until the late 5th century that Roman Pope Gelasius officially declared February 14th as St. Valentine's Day. However, St. Valentine was not associated with romantic love until several centuries later. This may be due to Chaucer, who, writing about courtly, romantic love, said that it was on St. Valentine's Day that birds appeared up. By Shakespeare's time, it was a feast for lovers and is mentioned in Hamlet. By the 18th century, it had become secular, and the tradition of Valentine's card began in England. They were made of paper lace and were sent to all sorts of people, not just your one true love. Valentine's Day as we know it didn't really start until the 20th century. Hallmark cards produced Valentine's cards in 1913, and then the tradition of red roses, chocolates, etc. really took off. There is nothing really left of Saint Valentine, except for his name. Number 5. Time for a mythology lesson. Ever pondered Cupid's origin story? Before the cherubic appearance, Cupid was Eros, the mischievous god of love in ancient Greek mythology. Armed with arrows of both love and hate, Cupid's transformation into the childlike figure we know today was shaped by Roman tales of divine mischief. Number 6. Venture back to medieval times, where an X symbolized more than just a mark. Used to sign documents, individuals would seal their commitments with a kiss after making an X. This ritual, described as sealed with a kiss, adorned various items, from books to letters and paperwork, embodying a romantic gesture in a world of oaths. Number 7. And for our final revelation, we're uncovering the roots of the cherished tradition of giving flowers, especially red roses. The late 17th century saw King Charles II of Sweden exploring the language of flowers during a trip to Persia, where each flower held a specific meaning. This Victorian-era trend of floral expressions bloomed, with red roses becoming synonymous with deep love, a sentiment embraced even on Valentine's Day. So there you have it. We hope you have enjoyed this interactive journey into the captivating history behind Valentine's Day. If these facts left you as spellbound as they left me, show some love. Hit that thumbs up, join our community by subscribing, and ensure you never miss out on our next historical exploration by ringing that notification bell. Share your thoughts, creative responses, and floral languages in the comments below. And until next time, stay curious, stay in love. Thank you for watching.